Greetings everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to tag someone on Facebook. Before you get started, please subscribe our channel. So first of all, open up Facebook app. After that, go to your profile. If you want to tag someone on a photo, first off, we need to get into photos. Then we need to choose a photo. Just open it up, and all we have to do now is just active tagging mode. To do that, tap at the icon just like that, and once it in highlighted, we are able to tag someone. To do that, just stop somewhere on a photo and then you can type any username at the search field, or you can select someone from that list in that way. Once you have done that, you can type another user. In the same way, you can add multiple tags on a photo, and also if you would like to remove someone tag, you can easily do so. Just tap on it and then tap at across. After that, once you are done with that, just close it. That's how you can easily tag someone on Facebook. So this is the way how you can tag someone on Facebook. This is the video for today. Thanks for watching this.